morning, everybody. Hope you are all using this lockdown period a useful one with Sir Isaac Newton School, and hope you have understood the previous lessons. And now let us step into the second lesson, powerhouse. Okay, we need energy from food to survive. Okay, energy is very important for our lives because without energy we cannot do anything. Okay, you small kids, you people used to say, see how much energy I am having. Okay, these muscles will be grown because of if you have healthier diets and if you do exercises. So, energy is very important for your muscular growth. For each and every activity of life, we need energy. So, in this lesson, we are going to see what is energy and what are the types of energy we have. We are going to see that. Okay, let us step into the topic. This lesson deals about powerhouse. Okay, energy is nothing but the power we gain from the food we eat and the energy we are getting from the other sources in our environment. Okay, there are so many types of energy: solar energy, nuclear energy, thermal energy, heat energy. Thermal energy is also called as heat energy. Okay, so many types of energies, electrical energy, etc. are there. And now in this lesson we are going to see about these energies in detail. So these are the types of energy. First one is food energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, energy of movement, and electrical energy. Okay? So there are 6 types of energies and we are going to see about each and every energy in detail. So first we are going to see about food energy. See, the man is running and here are some activities given here. Swimming, the children are swimming here. This girl is doing skating and this boy is playing football. So each and every activities we need energy. We need energy. We take food in the form of any nourished food materials, okay, cereals, etc. Cereals, carbohydrates, protein, fat, etc. So all the things gives us energy to do these kinds of activities. Okay. So do you think each of these actions requires energy? Yes. This man needs energy to run. This girl needs energy to do skating. Without energy, there is nothing can be done. Okay, we cannot do anything without energy. Where do you think the people shown in these images get the energy from? Where do we get energy from? For every activity of life, where do we get? As I said, nutritious food gives us energy. So this is the main content of this lesson, energy. And the first thing we are going to see is food energy. And we get energy from the nutritious diet we are taking, intake. So this helps us to do all our activities. All activities that we do require energy. Our body gets energy from the food we eat. Energy obtained from the food is called as food energy. The good energy which we obtain from the food we eat is called as food energy. Okay, I hope you have understand about what is food energy. And second one we are going to see is heat energy. Okay. See, if we stand in the sun for a long time, what would we feel in our body? Our body will get heated. Okay, our head will get heat. Okay, so the thing which we get from the sun is known as heat energy. Okay, the sun gives us energy and that energy is also called as solar energy. It is the main energy in nowadays we are using in all the household utilities. Okay. So if we stand in the sun for a while, we feel a kind of heat in our body. That energy is called as heat energy. And second one, the picture shows that the man is sitting in front of fire. This is because in winter season, in cold regions or hill stations, people will get more cold, okay. So to avoid them, the cold from them, to safeguard themselves from the cold weather, they will have to create some heat energy to safeguard them from the chill weather, okay. So they will make some fire with the matchsticks and wood and etc. to make fire, and while we have this hand on near the fire, we will get some kind of heat energy, okay. So we get energy from solar energy and also from fire. These are the two types of energies we get. This is an example for heat energy. So now we are going to see heat is a form of energy that we can feel. Heat energy makes us feel warm or hot. We can obtain heat energy by burning things such as wood, sticks, coal, electrical equipments, okay. So these are the types of things which create heat energy. So we also obtain abundant of heat energy from sun. As I have earlier said, we get heat energy abundantly from sun. That is also called as solar energy. Here activity is given, find out the meaning of the phrase in the form of heat of the moment, and in later classes while coming to school we will complete all these things, okay. So I will give you a small example about creating heat energy of our own, okay. If we start rubbing our hands for some time, what would we feel? A kind of heat will be produced in our palm, okay. So our body itself is it itself can produce a kind of energy called as heat energy while rubbing the hands, okay. Vigorously rub the palms of your hand together, close your eyes and gently place the bottom halves of your palms on your eyelids. If we keep our hands, after rubbing the hands, if we keep it on your eyelids, what kind of energy we will observe? We will observe a kind of heat energy. So this is an activity given to you. Another activity you have to do with the help of your parents. You cannot do it alone, because if you're having a cotton shirt or cotton pants with you and it is very crushed, okay, after washing it, it will be in a shrunken mode, okay. So if you want to make it clean and stiff, what will you do? You will iron the shirt or iron the pant, okay. So if with the help of the electricity, we will make the iron hot and we will iron the shirt to make it stiff, okay. So this activity should be done with the help of your parents. Observe your surroundings and list at least 3 ways in which you use heat energy. You have to do this activity. After this session, I will be giving you some worksheets in this manner and you have to complete these worksheets, okay. So, next, can you hear what I am talking, students? Yes, you can hear, because the thing I am giving in my voice is called as sound energy. If you cannot hear my voice, the energy I am giving is less, okay. So sound energy. Now we are going to see about sound energy. Just imagine that you are in a railway station, okay. What are all the things you can hear? Okay, you can hear the talking of the passengers, the walking steps of the passengers, okay. Somebody will be selling something, tea, coffee or fruits, etc., etc. They will be selling, okay. All the sounds will be heard by you, okay. The announcement of the railway station will be heard by you, and the train, okay, the sound of the train, even if it is coming 2 kilometers distance from there it is coming, we can hear the sound of the train, okay, whistling of the train. So that is called as sound energy, okay. So if you want to hear something, you should have good energy to produce the sound, okay. That is called as sound energy. So now they have given a busy railway station and you have to observe what are the sounds which you can hear in this railway station, okay. So this is called as sound energy. So you have to write these things, people talking, people walking, the whistling sound of train, the vendors selling something, okay. So you have to write, complete these fill-ups. The form of energy that helps us to hear is called as sound energy, okay. Helps us to hear is known as sound energy. Can you understand? Hope you have understood food energy. Next one is sound energy, and the second one is what we have read before, heat energy, okay. Food energy, heat energy and sound energy we have seen here. Okay students, in this class we have seen about the types of energy, powerhouse, why we need energy and what are the types of energy. So far we have seen about food energy, heat energy, sound energy, okay. So in the next classes we are going to see about movement energy, electrical energy and so on, okay. So with this I have to wind up the session and I will be giving some assessment for you in this lesson. Keep on doing this. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.